There is a team in cricket that has never won the Indian Premier League title. Not once in 17 years. And yet, they consistently sell out stadiums, trend globally on social media, and inspire a fan base so devoted it borders on the religious. That team is Royal Challengers Bangalore. And the story of why they matter more than most champions is worth every second of your time. RCB was born in 2008, one of 8 franchises launched into the very first IPL season. They finished 7th that year, nearly last. Their captain was Rahul Dravid, a man built for Test cricket's patience, not the explosive chaos of 2020. Nobody predicted greatness. Nobody circled RCB on their calendar. But something was quietly being built in Bangalore, something that statistics alone could never fully explain. What was being built was identity. By 2011, RCB had signed Chris Gayle, a West Indian batsman who treated bowlers like minor inconveniences. That season, Gayle scored 608 runs, including 2 centuries, with a strike rate of 153.45. He didn't just hit boundaries, he redefined what boundaries meant. And alongside him stood a young Virat Kohli, still finding his voice as a leader, watching and learning from the storm beside him. Kohli's numbers tell one story: over 6,000 runs for RCB, 40 half-centuries, 5 centuries, an average of 39.59 across the league. But the number that matters most isn't in any scorecard. It's the fact that he stayed. Through losses, through near misses, through 3 finals that ended in heartbreak, 2011, 2016, 2021, Kohli never left. Loyalty, in professional sport, is rarer than talent. Then came AB de Villiers. The South African joined RCB in 2011 and became something the cricket world struggled to categorize. Over 4,500 runs, 33 half-centuries, a strike rate of 158.36. But de Villiers wasn't just fast, he was creative in ways that made commentators run out of adjectives. He played shots that didn't have names yet, and when he batted alongside Kohli, opposing teams didn't just lose wickets, they lost hope. By the time RCB had cycled through 123 players across their history, the squad had included legends like Anil Kumble, Jacques Kallis, and Mitchell Starc. Each brought something different. Each wore the red and gold for a chapter, then moved on. What remained constant was the hunger, the sense that this team was always one season away from completing something unfinished. That feeling kept fans coming back, year after year. As of the 2022 season, RCB had played 229 matches, winning 115 and losing 108, nearly even. A coin flip, statistically. And yet those numbers hide the texture of what actually happened. The last over thrillers, the collapsed innings, the miraculous recoveries. Cricket, more than most sports, lives in its moments. And RCB has produced more unforgettable moments than most champions ever will. Here is the twist that reframes everything. RCB has never lifted the IPL trophy, but they have arguably produced the most watched, most discussed, most emotionally charged matches in the league's history. Winning creates champions. Losing, when done with dignity and passion, creates something rarer. It creates mythology. RCB isn't just a team. They are a story that refuses to end neatly. That matters today because we live in a world obsessed with outcomes. We measure worth by trophies, by rankings, by final scores. RCB quietly challenges that assumption. They remind us that the journey, the loyalty, the near misses, the getting back up, can carry as much meaning as any victory lap. Some of the most powerful stories in human history are about people who kept going without a guarantee of winning. What does it mean to love something that hasn't given you what you want yet? RCB's fans answer that question every single season. Subscribe to factstormhub. We tell stories like this every day. Full article on factstormhub.com.